I don't know how to do this. Okay. There we go. Okay. So this is the Uniwig. I will put the name of her name in the description box. At first, I wasn't too fond of her until I started curling her, and look how pretty. I was just out walking my dogs in the wind and drizzle, and it's still, I don't know how to hold this. Why? Okay. And it still kept its curl. Imagine. Look how pretty. So this is just a topper. It's not a full wig. And there you go. And for those who are interested in some of the things I have in my bathroom, I tried to do some vintagey items. Okay, let's close that. You don't want to see that, even though there's nothing in there. Look how pretty, pretty, pretty. There's a shower curtain. There we go.